Hello and welcome. This is the final lecture video for chapter 13. Okay, so in this lecture video, we're going to be talking about calculating earnings per share and then do a few quick check problems. Okay, so earnings per share is also called EPS, and this is a very common ratio. Okay, you see it discussed a lot on CNBC or any kind of business news outlet. And so the way that we calculate earnings per share is we take our net income minus our preferred dividends, and we subtract out our preferred dividends because those could be perceived as expenses by common shareholders because common stock shareholders don't receive preferred dividends. So we're going to take our net income minus any preferred dividends that we paid out divided by our weighted average common shares outstanding. Okay, that will be our calculation for EPS. And of course, I see up here, if the company doesn't have preferred stock, then our preferred dividends are zero. So when you look at this example right over here, assume our quantum company earns $40,000 in net income, declares dividends of $7,500 on preferred stock, and then we have our weighted average common shares outstanding of 5,000. Let's calculate our earnings per share. So we take our 40,000 net income minus our 7,500 preferred dividends divided by our 5,000, and what that gives us is $6.50 EPS, or earnings per share. $6.50 EPS. Okay, so what I want you to do now is to pause the lecture video, do this quick check problem on page 340, and do the one on page 341 as well. Okay, thanks. Okay, hello and welcome back. So our Shamrock Company had net income of $30,000. The weighted average common shares outstanding were 8,000. The company declared $2,700 dividend on its preferred stock. There were no other stock transactions, so we take our net income minus our preferred dividends divided by our weighted average common shares outstanding, gives us $3.41, which is our earnings per share. C is the correct answer. Last one here on the next page, the amount of income earned per share of a company's outstanding common stock is known as B, earnings per share. Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. Take care. Bye.